I've been sipping since I've been too young. That lean, baby girl. I've been popping and I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water. I want you, nah. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, nah. Can't take my, don't want your number. I'll call you back, get that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, woke up in the kitchen, saying that I'll take this shit up and I'll baby. chasing that hell. Take this shit up and out, baby. Drunk in love. Whip it up. Skinny model right before her one-way show. She the one in the back, nose running from the back, and we did it on the floor. So she walking kinda funny, shoulda never put us on. Bitch, I'm only 24 and everybody's salty. Niggas, stop your bitching. Everybody making money, we don't need to kick it. I'm dealing with my niggas, everybody got a clip. Did an album just to do it, dropping albums like a flip. Represents out of ecstasy, see, we did it for a week. I don't sleep with my enemies. Gotta stay seen and take a full-time heartbeat. Everything I do, say niggas always copy. All I wanna do is go on tour and drop albums. And if I live forever, probably drop 100,000. Made out of magic, my tongue got superpowers. I woke up in the morning, models passed out in the shower. Woke up in the kitchen, say that I love. Hit this shit up and out, baby. Drunk in love. Whip it up. I've been sipping since I've been too young. That mean, baby girl, I've been popping, I've been rolling.
Hey guys, it's your girl Sweet Curly Goddess, and I am coming to you today with a TooFaced makeup look. And if you guys have been following me, you would know that I'm doing this Boss Lady TooFaced makeup challenge, and they have one for every month. This month is May, so I'm shooting you guys with the May makeup look, and this month's look is Came Soar Contoured. Yes, so you would see me, you know, all over your. So anyways, so all in all, I think this makeup look is simple. I did a whole look, so this is my final look. I'm gonna put it right here, and I don't know, it's simple. I liked it. Like I mentioned probably in my other videos, the colors don't pop as much, and I still have yet to buy the MAC Fix It Pro or the Fix It Pro from MAC, whatever it's called, I can't remember. But it came out pretty, I think it came out pretty simple. This look is something that I could probably see myself doing on an everyday basis. It's not too vibrant or dramatic, and you know I love me some red lips. So anyways, so thank you guys for watching. And hey guys, if you're some new subscribers, hey girl, hey guys. Anyways, what I need you to do is, you know, I'm gonna tell you, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button with the white letters in it, right? Share this video, tell everybody, okay? Your mommy, your daddy, your boyfriend, your sister, your cousin, your baby daddy. Just tell them about this video and that they need to come to my channel. Yes, please do. Anyways, so Leave your comments down below. Leave some likes. Give me some shares. And let me know, how did you like this look? And what are you doing with this Boss Lady challenge if you're doing it? All right. Bye, guys.